Have you ever tried a time capsule with your young language learners? If not, here is an idea to try out in class. This is a great icebreaker right at the beginning of the school year, so September, October time is perfect because the idea is your students are going to fill up their time capsule with personal items. Then at the end of the school year, just before the summer holidays, we're going to open up the time capsules and they can make a comparison of where they are now compared to where they were at the beginning of the year. So how to make your time capsule. I usually have students bring in an old shoebox or a cereal box, but if you don't have a shoebox or cereal box, you can even just create a time capsule with 2 paper cups and you can just tape them together. Remember to put their name on so then we know whose they are. The same with your box, you can decorate it. I've decorated it with some stickers and they need to put their name on as well on that box. Now, how are we going to fill up the time capsule? With personal items. Now you can start with something really simple depending on the age and level of your students. You could start with a handprint. So on a piece of paper, just get your students trace around their hand, put their name and the date on and pop that in the box, in the time capsule. The same with their feet. Oh my goodness. Put a shoe on the floor, their shoe, hopefully, trace around it, name and date on that and put that in the box too. You could also bring in some paper tape measures, have your students in pairs, have them measure the height of each other and then put that measurement inside too. Great for comparisons at the end of the year. Other objects that you can put inside, have your students bring something personal from home. Now, not something precious, not mum's jewellery or anything like that, but you could have them bring in a badge or a sticker or maybe a ticket from an event that they went to over the summer, a pressed flower, a little toy, something really simple and easy, nothing precious, remember. So put all of those objects in the box. You could also give them a little questionnaire to fill in as well. So with questions like, what is your name? How old are you? How tall are you? What's your favourite colour at the moment? What's your favourite food? Drink? Sport? Who's your favourite person at the moment? Is it mummy, daddy, the pet dog, pet fish, a buddy? All of the answers, just fold them up, put them all in the time capsule. When you've finished, you can close it all up, put an elastic band round it and then put them away in a box or a cupboard. Forget about them until the very last day of term. The very last day, bring out the time capsules as a surprise for your students. Have them open them up and they will be surprised because their hands will be from this, like this. Their feet will be enormous and they can make some comparisons and points of conversation with your students too. So you can really base it on their level. With teens, you can make it a bit more challenging for them. Bring in their favourite book, a photograph, things like that. Things that they can really get talking about. It's a talking exercise. Give it a go and remember, be theatrical.